Congratulations to the loyalty awardees and to their parents. At this point in time, it is but proper that we also acknowledge and recognize our beloved teachers and staff for sterling services rendered to the school and studentry. So are the plaque, may I request Mrs. Maritoni Raro-Berin and Mrs. Benny Raro. Our service awardees are as follows. Mr. Alexander C. Araha for 15 years in service. A warm applause to Mr. Araha. Next is Miss Eleanor A. Vanillas, again for 15 years in service. And lastly, our dear librarian, Mrs. Adelaida R. Balbas for 20 years in service. Congratulations. Great achievers are those who follow the yearnings of their souls. I am in awe of their dedication and determination to fulfill their talents and desires. They are those who challenge themselves and relentlessly endure in inconveniences and consequences that occur as a result of their goals. May I now call Senaya Daniel N. Alvarez from the Preparatory Department for her valediction. Let's give her a warm applause.
To our beloved guest, Dr. Ligaya A. Reyes, our respected President, Mrs. Bernarda Ramirez Raro, our dear Principal, Mrs. Maritoni Raro-Berin, to all the teachers, parents, and to my fellow students, good morning. This is a very special day for all of us. We are all gathered here to witness the fruits of our hardships. For several years, our teachers taught us not just to read and write, but also to love and honor our parents and our teachers as well. They taught us to love God and to put God first above anything else. They taught us friendship and care to our environment. Learning doesn't end in the four corners of the school. Our school put great emphasis on being part of the community. It taught us compassion by helping other people, especially those who were affected by typhoons and other calamities. I can still remember when I first stepped in Holy Angels Montessori. It was teacher Marlene who assisted me to take the entrance exam. I passed the exam and was admitted to kindergarten. The year ends and I became the second honor in kindergarten. I am very happy as well as my family. And now I am honored to be the preparatory first honor. For this, I am very thankful to our principal who always smile on us and make us feel like we are one family. I would also like to extend my gratitude to my teachers, Teacher Marlene and Teacher Lily, who have been my teachers in kindergarten. My special thanks to Teacher Jeanette and Teacher Jean for their patience and hard work and their undying commitment to teach us not just to read and write, but also the values of life. To my mommy and daddy for their unconditional love and support to me, and to my sister, their love inspires us to study hard and become responsible children. Again, I would like to thank the teachers and parents who are gathered here today for the love and support they have given to us. May God truly bless you and your families. Above all, I thank Papa Jesus for giving me a loving and very supportive family. Thank you and good day.